everyone, I'm Dharani from IIAMB School. So I would like to welcome each and everyone to the event Pinnacle, whereas you already got to know and aware of the Pinnacle event which is held on 28th of February and 1st of March. So here is the dates. I want each and everyone to come and participate, enjoy all these 2 days with gaining lots of knowledge, whereas for the first day you guys already know there is a cultural event, management event, gender event and sports event too, which is indoor sports. And for the second day, it's all about the cultural night. You're getting crazy bands together and also the influences as well. So I wish each and everyone will come, gain knowledge, and enjoy each and every moment in the event Pinnacle. Thank you.
I'm Deepika and I'm studying second year Inter. I'm here to perform Bharatanatyam classical dance in IIM college and I'm very excited to perform here. And thanks to IIM Pinnacle Management for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
I'm Prerna from pursuing PGDM in IIM College and we are here gathered in Pinnacle event, and this is a national management event, and I'm really very excited because we have organized this event and let's have some fun.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు సత్య. మేము పినకల్ ఈవెంట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గెయిన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్గనైజింగ్ దిస్ ఈవెంట్. వీ ఆర్ ఇన్ టు మార్కెటింగ్ అండ్ స్పాన్సర్స్. వీ హ్యావ్ ఇంటరాక్టెడ్ విత్ మెనీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ లాట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hello Andariki, Namaskaram. My name is Likhita. I am from Rayagada, Odisha. Now I am pursuing PGDM in IIMB School Vizag. So ମୁଁ ଏବେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଲୋକ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ଓଡ଼ିଆର କଥା ହେଉଛି. ଆମ କଲେଜରେ ଗତ 37 ବର୍ଷରୁ ପିନାକିଲ୍ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟଟା କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରୁଛନ୍ତି. वी आर द ऑर्गेनाइजर्स. आमे समस्ते मिसिकी बहुत होला झोली करिकी आउ बहुत एक्सपीरियंस गेन कलु. मु बहुत खुशी अच्छी एटारे पार्टिसिपेट करिया पाए. एठारे मु बहुत किछि शिखि पारुछि केमती मैनेजमेंट करिवार ऑर्गेनाइज करिवार. सो एटा मोर फ्यूचर पाए बहुत हेल्पफुल हबो बोली मु भाबुछि. IIM वाइजाग रे जॉइन हेबा पाए मु बहुत खुशी अच्छी.
Hello everyone, this is Vigna Saishri. As we can see, we all gathered at IIM and I am pursuing PGDM at IIM Business School. So here our B School is conducting a fest called Pinnacle. This happens every year and even this year this is holding fantastically, and we can see lots of students are inside and they are having fun.
హలో అండి,
Today we are here at the Pinnacle Fest conducted by IIM's MVP Colony. It's a cultural fest of the college, and there are lovely events that are going to happen today. And today we have put up a stall. We represent an organic store which is in Murli Nagar, Andi. So we promote and propagate sustainable living. Ikkada ma products chuste, you will have natural skin care, sustainable personal care. You have some healthy and natural health products. For example, you have peanut butter, you have essential oils, you have the rose gulkand, you have unfiltered raw honey, rose water, distilled rose water. We have some sustainable bags, okay, hand printed and handmade, and we have cloth bags. So sustainable living ni promote chestu మేము ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్స్ మధ్యలోన ఈ స్టాల్ పెట్టాం. ఎందుకంటే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ టుమారోస్ ఫ్యూచర్. సో వాళ్ళు ప్రమోట్ చేసి, వాళ్ళు ప్రాపగేట్ చేసి, వాళ్ళ లైఫ్లోని ఒక సస్టైనబుల్ లివింగ్ని అడాప్ట్ చేస్తే వీ క్యాన్ సీ అ బ్రైట్ అండ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్యూచర్ అహెడ్, నాట్ జస్ట్ ఫర్ అస్ బట్ ఫర్ ది ఎంటైర్ నేషన్ as well. Thank you.
I noticed Ravindra was not feeling well, but you are still here, and just for that, just give a very big round of applause. Bigger. I mean, you should say it. This is the kind of energy which is enthusiasm, this energy, and I'm so glad that your family is also. See, you in your college life, learning is a lifelong process and it should never stop. And I'm not here to give you any advice, because I think life is like a buffet. You will get a lot of advice from everyone. You pick what you want. I'm just going to share some experiences. And for example, we spoke about AI, but what AI does is it can do many things for you, but what it lacks is emotion. Now please use that emotion rightly to apply it in the way which is beneficial for the entire mankind.
I, Dr. Uma Sundari, convener of the event, take this privilege to give the vote of thanks on this special occasion. Firstly, I would like to thank all the honorable guests and speakers, Mr. Sridhar Panugatti sir, founder of Zin Technologies, for giving a valuable message. Thank you, sir. And Mr. KVV Raju sir, CEO Ajinomoto Pharma Services India Limited, who blessed us with the presence and the valuable message, sir. I hope all the students will carry the impact of the message, not only for this. I also express my heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Chevanbet sir, CEO, Infotech, and our proud IIM alumni for inspiring the I wish at least a few students present today will be motivated with your speech and get success in their career and be on the stage maybe 10 years from now. I, on behalf of the organizing committee, convey my deep regards and hearty thanks to our Honorable Dean and Secretary Sir, Dr. S.P. Ravindra Sir, who is the architect behind the event, who encouraged us and made this pinnacle reach new heights year after year. Thank you so much, sir. I am also thankful to our dynamic Executive Director, Mrs. Deepika Das Madam, for leading the team towards success by supporting the students in all possible manner to organize this event. My special thanks to our Joint Director, Professor Shivkumar sir, for keeping the team tight and giving the strength to us at every moment. Thank you, madam, and thank you, sir. I also express my thanks to our beloved Madam Dr. Vijay Ravindra Madam and Suryateja sir for gracing this occasion. I am very much thankful to all our faculty colleagues and non-teaching staff who always stand by us and help us in every which way. I feel proud and thank you for making this event a successful one. An event of this dimension cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling months in advance. We have been fortunate enough to be backed up by a team of very motivated and dedicated student committees and volunteers. I cannot thank everyone enough for the involvement they have shown and willingness they have expressed to take a completion of tasks beyond their comfort zone. I thank all the students of IIM who have been working so hard from last 2 months. I am very much thankful to our sponsors for their support, and it would be impossible to organize this event without their support. I would also like to thank our transportation, accommodation, food team, without which it is not possible for smooth conduct of the event, wherein almost nearly 300 students are from outstations. At the end, I would like to take this opportunity to thank my admin and supporting staff for making this event a huge success. If time is money, then today you have spent millions for us. Thanks for all of you for making this event so successful. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for the press and media for giving your time and making this event so popular. Now I wish all the participants to have a wonderful stay at IIM, enjoy the event and the campus life of IIM Visakhapatnam. All the best.
We are here for the today's event. We have come from Odisha and we are here for the Pinnacle Feast 2025 organized by IIAM College, which they have invited us to attend all the events. So as our event has been started, so we are excited for that to take participate in all the events, and we are also very happy that they have organized everything in a very better way.
Hello everyone, this is Bhanu Chandrika from NVP Law College. I was a participant here in a Pinnacle 2025. This is the first time I was attending in this event. Just I was excited how the event will go.
तू है वही दिल ने जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहाँ मैं हूँ वहाँ, अब तो ये जीना तेरे बिन है सजा.
We guys are from Seetham College and my name is Dheeraj and this is my team Seetham Soldiers. So we are participating in treasure hunt and also movie and meme quiz. I hope मैं गेलिस्ता हूँ. Come on Seetham Soldiers.